This is to show the work Valley Contractors completed Monday, May 20th. They got roughly half the job done. And this is what we found. Every white piece of paper that I've marked the problems with are numbered. I have 65 down. I haven't finished yet because of spine surgery. It's becoming too much, but there's more errors in this area that just aren't marked. I'll try and get them. But it's multiple areas, multiple intersections that are not even. And that's what we're finding. They're not lining up. And that gap is different. And here's number 40. It's not even level. You can see the card doesn't even go to the top. I won't zoom in on it. But anyway, this is on the other side of the room. And that's the problem.